Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change text direction or orientation in Excel chart. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel spreadsheet. Now I am select some data and go to the insert menu and create a chart. Select the drop down menu and create a chart. Now you can see here the data is manual. Now I am select the chart, click this axis, click right button and go to format axis option. Then go to the size and or properties option. Then select the text direction. You can change this direction. You can make the text direction horizontal, vertical or etc. You can change the angle of the text. Now we can see we change text orientation in Excel chart easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.